there, my beauty loves. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this year and all to come. So real quick, I come today with a makeup tutorial. I have a makeup challenge going on where every day there will be a different look that you can, participate in or not participate in. But if you decide to participate in the makeup challenge, I just ask that you hashtag it with Makei Makeup Challenge. And the first day of this challenge is about how you want to enter the new year. For me, I have a bold look and I have my pink because I want to enter this new year stepping boldly into my purpose, not letting resistance get to me, but just moving forward with my dreams and my goals. And so that's what I come to you today with. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, just continue to watch. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, starting off by priming our eyelids with LA Pro Conceal in medium beige. So we're gonna put that all over the eyelid and then we're gonna blend that out. I'm blending out with my finger as always, so you can use a brush, girl, I don't care. I'm doing it my way. So I'm just going to, as I said, blend this out. Now once I get it blended out to my liking, then I always go over with the translucent powder to set that in place, and then it also makes it easy for your eyeshadows to glide right over your eyelid because it's not, going up against something that's more creamy or liquidy. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm setting this with the translucent powder and I'm just patting it on over it. It can be any translucent. I think today I was using the YAAASS, one of their things, but in the clean color palette, got it from a hair store, but that's the orange color. I'm using it as a transition so that I can have this look, have a little warmth to it. Even though it's going to be a little bold, I want to have a little warmth to the look, so I'm going to start off with a transition color such as orange. It's a very light orange, very lightly dusted over, right above your crease. So go ahead and do that. And most of you know I love to sing and dance when I am doing my videos. So that's what I'm doing. So again, just continue to dust it over. Now, this color that I'm using in my crease, this color is from one of the Max customized palettes I got from the Max store. Guys, I don't remember the name of the color. So it's like a it's a warm brown. It's not brown, but it's like an orangey looking brown, like a tan. I think it's a tan, like a deep tan. Let's go with that deep tan. So just dust that into your crease, and then I'm going over my outer V with a deeper brown. Now this deeper brown I'm using actually out of my contour palette, the YAAASS Pro Contour Palette. I'm just picking up a brown from there because it was sitting right in my lap. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just dusting that and my outer V just to give it a little depth, because we're going to go a little further with this one. So you're going to see me do that on both sides here. They gotta match. You just can't be walking around not matching. So this makeup challenge for today is all about how you decide that you want to conquer 2018. I'm conquering it by being bold, by standing truly in my power and my purpose, and just going with it, not giving a damn, doing it unapologetically, not looking for permission. So that's what this look is all about. It's my way of saying, hey, I'm here and I'm here to stay, and I'm gonna do it my way. Now, picking up some black out of the Morphe 35C, my favorite palette, the Morphe 35C palette. It's black, and that's one of the Tyra Beauty brushes that I'm using. And I'm just dusting that in my outer V, and then I'm just going to continue to blend, 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 blend a little bit more, blend, blend, blend. You know how that goes. The game here is blending and dancing. Girl, you got to have some fun. Lighten up this year. Don't let nobody stress you. Set your intentions and go on about your business, honey. So I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Guys, I forgot to show you this little makeup brush holder my sister made me. My older sister, she made it for me. I'm going to show you guys in my next video for tomorrow. But it is so freaking cute. She did homemade gifts for Christmas, and she made this for me. Like, yeah. So I'm just going to blend here. Now, I'm using right now the LA Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige. I'm sorry, not medium beige, but nude. And I'm just cutting my crease just a little bit for this look. So I sped it up because that's all I'm doing is cutting the crease. So now this is MAC's, I think this is the pigment powder that I'm using here in Fuchsia. And I'm just going to pat that all over my eyelid, like the inner part of my eyelid where I cut my crease. So I sped it up because I'm just patting, patting, patting away. You continue to add color to the intensity that you want to have your look to be. But for me, you know, I just wanted to have just a little bit of pink here. And then now I'm picking up more black from the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just putting that in my outer V. And I'm just going to blend that. I'm just adding more depth, more boldness to this look. So I'm just blending, blending, blending. That's a generic brush that I got from like Walmart, guys. So I don't even know the name of it. Which I'm quite sure if you go to Walmart, you can find any of those brushes, okay? Hello. So yeah, go ahead, just continue to blend, blend, blend. I sped it up because there's a lot of blending going on here. And a lot of singing and a lot of dancing. A lot of the dancing I cut out because, yeah, this video would have been much, much longer if I would have left that in there. And then as always, I am using my favorite liquid liner, Ruby Kisses. This is the Blacker Than Black. And I love, guys, I'm going to switch up my eyeliner, I swear. But you know how it is. When you find something that really works for you and you really, really love it, the product is amazing. It's hard for me. So I'm a loyal type of chick, you know. Hello. So yeah, this part I sped up. You see me do it in every video. So if you want to know how to do wing liner, just drop me a comment and I'll make a video about it, okay? So I'm just doing the same thing on my other eye. This is the liner. My Ruby Kisses. Okay, now in my inner corner, I am using that same customized palette that I don't know the names of the stuff, but there's a shimmer color, like a champagne shimmer color there, and I'm just putting that lightly in my inner corner just to give it a little, you know, brightness to the inner parts of my corner. Now using the YAAASS Jumbo pencil in milk, I am just highlighting the tail of my black wing liner. Y'all, I don't know what I was trying to say, but you know, you got me. Yeah, ooh, don't you be feeling yourself. Once your eyes get halfway done, you be like, who gonna check me? And that's where I'm at with mine. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm just going to outline the outer wing of my wing liner with the Milk Jumbo pencil. Now, I have a new routine how I do my foundation, so I'll update that here soon, but I do a lot of the contouring under. I do the underlay because it's just working better for me. You know, sometimes you got to switch up to see what you like a little bit better, but in the RCMA Pro palette, foundation palette, I'm using some of the deeper browns in there to contour. So I'm just contouring my forehead, contouring my cheekbones, and then I'm going to contour, of course, my nose a little bit. And I'm not, you know, I'm not the best at contouring the nose. I can admit that, because I don't really care about contouring the nose. Let's just go ahead and say that. I really don't care about snatching my nose. But I do it just so that I can do it, I guess. I don't know why I do that crap, you know. But I do it. Hello? Let me be me. You do what you like to do, and I'm going to do what I like to do, okay? Makeup is an art of expression, and you can do whatever you want to do. Don't let nobody ever tell you that you're doing it wrong. And tell them they might need to mind their damn business. That's what needs to happen. You doing what you want to do. So once I do that, then I am going to use my foundation. This is the LA, I think it's called Pro Coverage. It's from MakeiGurl. And yeah, I've been liking this. I've been really loving their foundation. It's very inexpensive, and it does the job. It gets the job done. So you see me now, just with the foundation brush, I'm just laying it down and spreading it out to where it needs to go to cover the contoured areas. So I'm just picking up a little bit more. I forgot what song was playing, guys, but I was like listening to like old school, like Keith Sweat, Shantae Moore, you know, they be jamming. So I sped this piece up because it's just me just spreading out foundation and just blending. But I don't know, guys, I just love the underlay type of look here lately. I just go through a different things. A lot of times I don't film it, but I'm going to get back into a lot of filming this year. And just let me know whatever looks you want to see, and I will be more than happy to create a video. If you need skincare tips, just make sure you drop me a comment. I'll be more than happy. I'm all about the skin. Key to flawless makeup is your skin, honey. You have to take care of that skin. Your skin has got to be healthy. So it doesn't need to be perfect, but it does need to be healthy. So now going over using the LA Pro Conceal in medium beige, I am using that as my concealer under my eye as well as a highlight. And then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender, as you see me doing here. And then once I do that, I am definitely going to set these areas with translucent powder. And I mean, I can just be honest here, like a lot of times under my eye, because I do have like fine lines under my eye, sometimes I don't really necessarily care if it cakes up there. I mean, I really don't, because a lot of times you can't even see it because I either have eyeshadow over it or, you know, there's something going on, but you never can really tell anyway. So I'm just setting my face now all over with translucent and just being silly old me. I am a silly, goofy girl, and I love every moment of it. Look, I'm feeling myself. I gotta finish blending, y'all. I just can't get my life together because I'm listening to music. Now going back into my NYX Pro Contour Palette, I am going to start blending and going over the contour areas that I did on the underlay. I'm going to go over those areas just to give it more depth. And always remember the key. Oh, hold up. Wait. It was a dance break. But again, the one thing that for the beginners that you want to remember is the way that you hold your brush. If you hold your brush you know, more down towards the end of the brush, the lighter the application, the more you hold it up towards the upper part of your brush, the more heavier your application will be. So it just depends on what type of look you're trying to do, of how you hold your brush, basically, okay? So this is that new Maybelline Master Precise pencil, like, that's been on all of the freaking commercials all Christmas. So I was just like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try it, because I love Maybelline products. I have a lot of their products. I just love their eyeliners. Their eyeliners have never truly failed me at all. So I was like, okay, let me just try this one out. I haven't tried it on my upper lid yet, but I'll be doing that sometime this week or this month, and I'll let you guys know. So everything that I did on top of, on my upper, not upper, yeah, I think it is called upper lid, I'm doing underneath my waterline, basically. So I did some of the pink, and then I'm going over the pink with the brown and the black. Oh, I'm feeling myself, y'all. Oh my God. That don't make no sense. But that's all right. Who else gonna make you feel good and feel good about yourself if you can't feel good about yourself? Okay? So now this is the NYX lip liner in Pinky Rose, and I'm going to line my lips, because again, 2018 for me is about being bold and being unapologetic about your boldness as it relates to the pursuit of your goals and your dreams and aspirations that you may have for this year. So everything about this look for me is bold, because I'm a very neutral type of chick sometimes. But yeah, so this lip liner, not lip liner, but lip gloss, it's from Lipland. It's in, I think it's called Persia. So yeah, there you go, Persia. It's called Persia, and I got this a little while back through the Lipland company, and I really love their products. You know what, I'm going to actually order some more, because I really love their products. I really do. I have another one that I got from them, and it is really good. So this is the NYX, it's an illuminator, of course, like a highlighter. Anything that I don't know what the name of it is, it will be in the description down below. But yeah, here is the finished look, honey. So if you love this look, or you like this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to go ahead and participate with the makeup challenge, don't forget to hashtag in all of your looks Makei Makeup Challenge on all of your social media handles. And until next time, I want you to always remember to aspire to inspire someone every single day. It's all about uplifting others. You have enough bad things going on in the world. So have a blessed day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.